How to stop your MacBook from sleeping. Do you find your MacBook constantly going to sleep when you need it awake? Well, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to disable sleep settings on a Mac. Let's dive in. What causes sleep mode? By default, MacBooks are set to sleep after a certain period of inactivity to conserve battery life. The display turns off first, then after longer idleness, it goes into sleep mode. Let's see how you can go to the system settings by clicking on this Apple icon from the top left-hand side. Click on System Settings, and here you will have to search for the battery, search for power in the search bar. You will find these options when you click on Battery, and when you click on Options in Battery section, by the way. This is the section where you can see your battery levels and how your battery drains and stuff like that. When you click on Options, prevent automatic sleeping on power adapter when display is off. So there are two stages. First, when your computer is idle for a certain period of time, the display of your MacBook computer, Mac OS computer, will be turned off, and after a few minutes, it will go on sleep mode to prevent extra processing of your computer, which will save electricity, save energy. So you can prevent that from happening. So now, if you have enabled this one, this will mean that your computer will not go on sleep. Even though it will still turn off, the screen will still turn off, but it will not go on sleep. All the processes and everything you're working on, your computer will remain the same. Every session will be the same. Only the thing, it will not go on sleep mode. Now the second thing is, if you want to change that as well, you can do it from here, from the lock screen area. You can click on this Turn off display when inactive. There are all these options available here, and you can change the duration. The second option is Turn off display on battery when inactive. So this setting is for when you are using your computer on battery. So it's like for 2 minutes. And if it is on power adapter, it is connected to power adapter. This turn off display will happen after 5 minutes of remaining idle. So I can change it to something like 1 hour or never. I like to keep it that way because obviously it saves energy, but in some cases where I am doing something and I'm downloading something and I don't want that to be interrupted, I will make sure that it does not go on. It does not turn off the screen, and that will also prevent it from sleeping. Enable this as well if you don't want your computer to be sleeping and all your sessions will be okay. Even if you don't change these things and only change this setting in Power Nap, your computer will not go on sleep mode, even if it is idle for some time. So I hope you find this useful. If you did, you can hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this.